Hello, this is Franky. Today we finished a vertical glass washing machine, and here I would like to show you some details of our vertical washer. Big supporting wheels are used in this machine for transmission. Even the wheel shafts are in stainless steel. This machine is designed for heavy-duty jobs. This is loading zone, treated with good painting. The wheel seats we used are aluminum to avoid rust. Now let's look at the washing section. Let's open the door. There are 3 pairs of brushes. 2 are hard brush for clear glass, and 1 soft for low-E glass. The metal components that touch water in this section are in stainless steel, like the springs, shaft ends of the rubber rollers, wheel shafts, and the brush shaft ends. The bearings used here are waterproof bearings. For easy daily cleaning, the water pipes are designed to be taken down very easily. You just turn like this, and it can be taken down. This is the control panel for the machine. If the machine works in production line, PLC and a touch screen can be equipped. 2 pairs of air knives are set here for drying. This is to make sure even the water on glass edge can be dried thoroughly. A special feature for this washer is its front part can move forward as a unit. This brings big convenience for daily cleaning. Here is the back of the machine. There are some back doors and the stairs. You can climb up to see the machine once in a while. Now I'm going to climb up the machine to show you a different view. Here is the top of the washer. There are 6 motors for brushes, so 1 motor to drive 1 brush. High quality nylon wheels used to reduce noise. The tooth belts to drive the brushes are with long service life. There are 2 tanks. Heating elements are set in the tanks for hot water. 1 is for hard brushes and 1 is for soft brush. A valve to fill water automatically is in the last tank. Here is the connection for pumps and heaters. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.